Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Freshdesk access after email verification failures, full guide step by step clearly. To restore Freshdesk access after email verification failures, begin by checking your email inbox for the verification email from Freshdesk. If you don't see the email in your inbox, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. If you find the verification email, open it and click on the verification link included. If the link doesn't work, try copying and pasting it directly into your browser's address bar. If you did not receive the verification email, navigate to the Freshdesk login page. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password reset process. Enter the email address associated with your Freshdesk account and submit the form. You should receive another email that contains a link to reset your password. Check your inbox again and look for this password reset email. If the email doesn't arrive, check your spam or junk folder once more. Once you receive the email, open it and click on the password reset link. Choose a new password that meets the required security criteria. After resetting your password, return to the Freshdesk login page. Enter your email address and your newly created password. If you continue to experience issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try accessing Freshdesk from a different browser or device. In some cases, contacting Freshdesk support directly may be necessary for further assistance. Provide them with your account details and a description of the issue you're facing. Follow any additional instructions they provide to successfully restore your access. Once resolved, remember to verify your email to avoid future issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.